morning to all, especially sa may mga problems dyan sa kanilang face, sa kanilang pimples, kanilang skin. Okay. So today I am going to share with you the things that I have learned before kasi marami din akong pimples noon. My father said that I don't have to wash my face every time na magiging oily siya. So kapag naligo lang, just pa-flow lang yung water and then ang ginawa ko, nag-skinol ako. After na akong magtapos ng college, natuto talaga akong uminom ng marami. So, sa school, I bring itong used na 1.5 liters of Coke, yung disposable bottle niya. At yun ang ginagamit ko para inuman. So, you have to drink at least 1 liter to 2 liters or more in a day. And then, it must be water without any coloring, without any juice, especially if it's not fresh. Nakaka-contribute din kasi sa skin disease like, you can have breakout like you can have pigsa or boils or more pimples. By the way, I'm 43 years old and look at my skin. May konti lang siyang sunburn, maybe because it's the accumulation of sun exposure for almost 42 to 43 years. To have your fruits blended or raw or especially yung fresh na fruits. And you have to plant really more fruits para palagi kang makakain nito. And also, you have to eat vegetables. At least, healthy talaga ang foods, avoid junk food. If ever ako nagugutom, bumibili ako ng mani or ng peanut para hindi siya junk food ang makakain ko. And also, you have to have a religious skincare. Hindi dapat pinapalipas yung gabi or yung morning na hindi ka nag-wash and then hindi ka naglagay ng at least ng rejuvenating or ng at least ng cleanser. And then, you have to sleep. And then lastly is hygiene. Dapat sa malinis ka sa katawan, naliligo, naglilinis, wash ng hair, and then nagpapalit ng damit every day. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.